welcome to Elvatech's channel. Today we will guide you on how to kickstart your journey with the ProSpector 3 and get the best outcome if we're talking about metals and alloys. So let's go then. After unpacking the analyzer, we need to turn it on. To do this, just press the power button on the left side of the device. It is especially important not to hold it in order to avoid loading errors. Once the analyzer is turned on, you will be asked to enter your password, and then you will need to accept the radiation safety warnings. This is the standard procedure for all of our analyzers. Now your ProSpector 3 is ready to analyze, but before we get started, let's do some initial setup to ensure maximum accuracy and efficiency of analysis. Now we move on to the calibration selection. Depending on your application, choose the right one for analyzing alloys with or without light elements. This is the key point to ensure the accuracy of your measurements. In our particular case, I will choose the calibration with light elements. Here we go. Let's select the alloy library you need. ProSpector 3 offers a wide range of standards like IEC, DIN, NIST, allowing you to easily identify and validate your sample against specific standards. So, to do this, we need to go to Options section, press Other, and it's showing us the alloy database, which goes first. Just pressing it, and here we have some options in IEC, DIN, and International. Actually, we can choose all of them at once. Yep, now we have all set up, and it will show us which is which. Next, let's look at how the analysis can be started. ProSpector 3 has two options, trigger and on-screen button. Your choice will depend on the analyzer conditions. To select it, we need to go to, we can actually select it for all applications, so just we need to press back, here Options, Settings, and Start and Stop button. Now we just reuse it and we need to add it back, so we put Start and Stop button, and also we have the trigger mode, which actually helps you to it's made up for you to be comfortable if you can just depress to start and release to stop, or you can just pull it once and then pull it again to stop. So it all depends on you. The trigger is especially useful for quickly starting the analysis when you are working with the analyzer directly, such as when you're testing large samples in the field. The on-screen button is ideal for situations when the analyzer is fixed in the laboratory stand. This allows convenient interaction with the analyzer. The use of a lab stand with an on-screen button makes analysis more convenient, especially when working with small or precision-demanding samples. The next step is to set analysis time. The analysis time directly affects on the accuracy of the result. To do that, we need to first of all stay in the calibration mode you selected, like here we have the alloys with light elements. We need to press Options, then choose Duration, and just postpone whatever you want, like we can set it for 3 seconds and still it will be enough. For rapid metal sorting or alloy grade identification, 3 seconds is sufficient. However, for more in-depth analysis of the alloy composition, you can set time between 10 or 20 seconds. Choosing the right analysis time can increase measurement accuracy, especially when dealing with the complex alloys or when the smallest compositional components need to be identified. This settings is key to ensure high accuracy of the analysis according to your task and requirements. Proper sample preparation is essential before proceeding with the analysis. The quality of preparation directly affects the accuracy of the results. For solid samples, such as metals and alloys, it is necessary to polish the surface to smoothness. This improves the measurement accuracy and provides the most representative results. After polishing, make sure that the sample is carefully cleaned of dust and dirt. Any impurities can distort the result of the analysis. Proper sample preparation is the key to achieving accurate and repeatable results. Pay attention to this step and your analysis will be efficient as possible. To fine-tune the analysis, it is also very important to choose the right collimator. This will help to focus the analysis on the desired area of the sample. The ProSpector 3 has two collimators, standard for 8.5 mm and smaller for analyzing small items. The choice depends on the size and shape of your sample. To choose the right collimator, you should go to target icon, which is actually at the bottom of the screen, and here you have two options, as 8.5 mm as the standard one and also 2.5 mm as the smaller one. It's just for some small object. So let's take a look how it should be on the screen. The standard collimator is perfect for most samples, providing wide coverage and high precision analysis. For small or detailed samples, it is better to use a smaller collimator, which allows you to focus on specific areas while minimizing the influence of surrounding elements. The choice of collimator greatly enhances your analysis capabilities, allowing you to obtain reliable results for a wide variety of materials. Using the correct protective cartridges is crucial for accuracy of your analysis. ProSpector 3 uses two types of cartridges. For analysis with light elements, we use ultralean, the red ones, and for analysis without light elements, we use Kapton, yellow ones. The cartridges are easy to change and are suitable for different applications. For example, a standard cartridge is suitable for analyzing most metals and alloys. If your analysis includes light elements like aluminum or magnesium, you should use a different cartridges that minimizes particle absorption and ensures the accurate measurements. To change the cartridges, we need just to press this button at the bottom, and we're using the red ones because this one has the light elements option included. So all we need to do is just to hold it in the right way and then just to close. That's it, it's ready to use. It is important to check and replace the protective cartridges regularly to avoid contaminations or damage to the detector, which can lead to inaccurate results or costly repairs. And remember, the proper care and use of appropriate cartridges will increase the lifetime of your ProSpector 3 analyzer and the accuracy of each analysis. The macro camera of ProSpector 3 allows you to take photos of samples right after you make an analysis, and making it much easier to document samples you are analyzing. To do that, we need just to make a measurement, so we have the result right now on our screen, and then you should press the photo icon. Then we can make the reverse camera, because here we have the micro camera and now we goes to the micro, and we measured this sample. So right now let's take a picture of it. Just to press this button. Great. And also you can name the sample, so you will have the result, the photo and the name of it. Pretty easy. This is especially useful when working with a large number of samples, allowing you to keep the visual history of each analysis for future comparison or reporting. Now we have come to the final stage of our video tutorial on how to initially set up the ProSpector 3 for perfect metal and alloys analysis. And do not forget that correct configuration of the device and following basic maintenance recommendations are the key to its long and successful operation. Also, do not forget to check software updates regularly so that you always have access to the latest features and improvements. By following these guidelines, you will ensure the highest accuracy and reliability of your assays. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this short tutorial useful. If you have any questions or need additional information, do not hesitate to contact our manager on the phone or by email. We are always ready to help you choose the best solution and provide you with the best support you need. Thank you for joining us today to learn about first setting of your XRF analyzer. This will ensure the maximum accuracy and quality of your analysis. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel for more insightful content of XRF analysis. And don't forget to click the bell to be notified of new videos. And also you can leave us a comment on the topic that you would like to hear. And you also can like this video so we know you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, stay tuned and see you soon.